slides we have put up in the under the microscope. I'll just brief you, and you go there, see in such a way that you don't have to revise before the exam. There are 4 slides are there. Out of that, the best will be given. The parafollicular cells here, and follicle with colloid, follicular cells, tangential, these are tangential section, connective tissue septum, arteriole, and this is the venule, this is the arteriole, and the capillaries in between, capillaries here. Follicle with retracted colloid, interfollicular, the venule is there, connective tissue septa, and parafollicular cells. Now, after observing this slide, you draw a representative figure just now. That will impress, that will go into your head. See, this slide is very beautiful. দেখো যতবার দেখবে তত ভালো লাগবে।